Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I am going to show you the complete process of electrical installation inside the kitchen, from planning to circuit layout to socket positioning, safety rules, and sample wiring connections. If you are an electrician, a student, or you simply want to understand how a professional kitchen install is done, this video is for you. Let's get started. So guys, before we touch anything, safety comes first. Always switch off the main power supply. Use proper PPE, gloves, tester, safety shoes. So guys, kitchen contain water and heat. So electrical installation must follow strict safety standards. Let's go step by step. So guys, here we are inside the kitchen, guys. This is our kitchen. So before we start, guys, welcome back to my channel again. My name is Walter Buya, and guys, if you are new to this channel, please guys, I just urge you to support by subscribing. And for the returning subscribers, guys, welcome all. Welcome. Thank you for returning to watch our electrical tutorial, electrical tips. So guys, welcome. Watch this video from the start to the end. Don't skip. When you skip, guys, you won't see, you won't hear, you won't learn what I am going to talk about in the next minutes. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, now planning the kitchen circuit layout. So guys, like here guys, the planning. See guys, this is the planning. See how the sockets, this is double socket, guys. How the layout, this is the planning, and the layout, this is the double pole switch, EP switch. See guys, see guys, this is the layout. This is the layout, guys. I just want to show you everything. See guys, this is the entrance. See up the ceiling, we have lightings, the down lighters. See guys, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 down lighters, and at the center of the kitchen we have a common light. So guys, continue watching. This is just the start of this video. So guys, in the kitchen, appliances draw high power. So we must design dedicated circuits. Here is the recommended layout. Guys, hope you have seen the layout, a video showing the layout. Now this is the direction of the layout, how the things will be inside the kitchen. Here is the recommended layout, guys. Number one, we have cooker circuit. Cooker circuit 32 amperes or 42 MCBs. Cooker circuit. See, guys. See, these are the cooker circuits, guys. You see, guys. Let me take you so that you can see even the cable size for cooker circuit. See, guys, this is the size of cable. See, guys, cooker circuit 32 amperes MCB. Fridge sockets, guys, you can see it, double socket or twin. See, guys, with cable pulled size 2.5 millimeter. So we have microwaves and kettle 16 amperes. We have workshop sockets 2 or 3 double sockets. We have extractor fan 6 amperes. Lighting circuit 6 amperes. You see, guys. See, guys, this is the kitchen. See, here is the consumer unit. This is the consumer unit. Consumer unit, CU, feeding the kitchen. See, guys. Let's take you back to the kitchen, guys. So we have lighting sockets. Lighting sockets, guys, 6 amperes. Always place sockets away from sinks, gas and wet areas. Now let us mark the indicators. Measurement and positioning, guys. How you will measure the height of the sockets, the DP switch, the switches for lighting. So the standard height for kitchen socket is 1100 millimeter. So this is 1100 millimeter from the floor level. Even you can see it, guys. So 100, you have to measure 1100 from the level. Maybe the tiles will be here, so you have to measure 1100 millimeter from the ground level height to the socket, guys. So guys, cooker control unit 1450 millimeter. Cooker control. This is cooker. You have to measure 1450 millimeter from the ground level. we have fridge socket installed behind or next to the fridge. Fridge socket. These are fridge socket. So maybe this side the fridge will be here and the socket will be behind. So the fridge will be like here and the socket behind. Same this side. The way you will design. And it will be at least 300 millimeter height. 300 millimeter height. So guys, when it comes to pulling cables, next we pull the correct cable sizes. You have to pull the correct cable sizes supplying to this appliances that you are going to use inside the kitchen. For example, cookers, you have to do the wiring, pull the cable size of 6 millimeter or 10 millimeter. So guys, you can see our cable. These are 6 millimeters. This is just for cookers. So we have sockets. We have these are socket for cookers, 2.5 millimeter, and lighting. We have lighting up there. These are 1.5 millimeters. Extractors, we have 1.5 millimeters. Now guys, let's wire the socket. Use the standard color codes. So guys, we have color codes when wiring, when pulling the cables for sockets. The brown, see guys, here we don't have brown, but red stand for live wire. The blue is not here. We have black, but blue stand for neutral, brown stand for live, green stand for add or yellow. You see green or yellow stand for add. Make your connection tight and clean. When doing the connection after finishing mounting the socket, you have to do the termination. Let the termination be very tight and clean. So guys, that is what we had today, and we have come to the end of this lesson. And if you have any project and you need our services, guys, you can contact our number 0716 77 1810 WhatsApp, or you can call, or you can email us through our email address, which is optechappliances@gmail.com. So guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this kitchen electrical installation guide, please give the video a like, comment your questions, and subscribe for more electrical tutorials. See you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.